On the 11th of July 2021, and what was the address again?
Mustamäentie 23.
Yes, take a say. Here in Mustamäki, a small suburb in Mäntsälä, Finland. This building dates back to 1976, but the elevator and the one is where it must have been, they were added in 2005 with Otis 1000 fixtures. This impressed me 1K E40 26. Give us these 5 person grams. It's likely to be at the beginning of 2005.
Yeah.
But it's probably too slow, so we'll probably take just one ride. I like these turquoise doors.
Same.
It is too slow even for focus.
Yeah.
But it was still very nice, that's it, thanks so much. Let's go to the stage.
That's